In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful, peace and blessings be upon our Prophet Muhammad and upon his family and companions. So today, God willing, I'll show you how to edit the recipient's name for any transfer. After that, open the MoneyGram app. For me, I made a transfer through the MoneyGram app and I had a mistake, so I want to edit the name. How do we do it? The method is really simple, like this. First, I'll open the MoneyGram app. It will come up like this, nice and simple. This is the MoneyGram app's home screen. All the transfers you've made. As soon as you tap the arrow you have there, it will show you all the transfers you've made. For me, I want to edit the last transfer I sent. I'll see it here, this transfer, the last one I sent. I'll edit it. How can I edit the name for this transfer? Just tap this transfer. We'll tap it. Choose it, and you'll get two options. One is edit, so it will tell you that the recipient's name, this person, is shown like this. This is the recipient's name and when it was sent, the transfer date. For me, I want to edit the name. How do we do that? We'll see. And at the bottom, there's a box, a button called Edit. We tap it. One moment. Let's see. It's very simple here. You have the first name for the recipient, the middle name, or the father's name, and the surname for the recipient. For example, what I want to do is, you can delete the name completely and add a new one, or you can select the name. For example, if you want to delete the whole name, just delete it like this. The entire name, and you can add a new one if you want. Also, you can make changes to all the fields, the middle name and the surname. What I want is to edit only the first name. Now after I deleted the wrong name, I want to add the new name. All good. Now I can add the new name. So the name was Yaman, now it's Ayman. I've edited the recipient's first name. Now, after I edited it, we scroll down to the bottom. Scroll down to the bottom. We'll see an option here called Save. I'll save. Tap it firmly. The first name was Yaman. Now I've changed it to Ayman. Now, to confirm the changes, we'll go down to the bottom and confirm by pressing Save. Here it's telling you you're being asked to confirm that the name you entered is correct. It tells you this change you made to the transfer to the recipient's name. Is it correct? Hit Yes, Continue. Here it tells you the recipient's name has been updated. Now I'll check whether it's saved or not. Go into the same transfer. You see? Here, the recipient's name is now as follows. Ayman. It was Ayman. Before it was Yaman. Now it's Ayman. This was a quick way to edit a recipient's name for any transfer in the MoneyGram app. That's the video done. See you in the next one. Peace be upon you, and God